Just gonna open the glove. And then she's gonna pour some of this liquid Grout Haze Remover inside a container with water. Más. Yeah. Without touching the metal. She's gonna touch all the surface. Que no te quede nada. Ahí arribita hay un chivito. Que todo esté bien mojadito. Con ese producto. Muy bien. Really good. Don't touch the metal, okay? They already cleaned the shower, but there is some haze on the surface. And this is the reason why they call us. Really good. After the builder clean or any other cleaning company clean, if you see some haze on your shower and you want to be clean, just call us at 407-572-4118, same day in service, or schedule for the day of your convenience. Anyhousecleaning.com, plenty of videos on YouTube, Facebook, on Google, great reviews on Google. Take care. Fiorella from Anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118.